A magic pendant to get what you want, spells and spellcast offering to lose weight, levitate objects, gain telekinesis powers, gain wealth and riches. This and much more can be attained with the use of mystic energy and magic, as each and every person has the ability to change and influence his or her life. Our 13 coven members wield immense magic and have helped thousands of others. Unleash the power of real magic with Witch Talismans, Sisters of the North. Are you ready to tap into the ancient forces of witchcraft and unlock your true potential? Look no further than Witch Talismans, your gateway to authentic magical items that can change your life forever. Our eBay store, Witch Talismans, is stocked with an incredible array of enchanted treasures designed to fulfill your deepest desires and manifest your wildest dreams. From haunted pendants to powerful rings, our collection is brimming with spells and enchantments crafted by the Sisters of the North, practitioners of the most potent witchcraft known to humankind. Need to communicate with the beyond? Our Haunted Speak pendant channels the energy of Anubis himself, granting you the power of necromancy like never before. Unleash the power of real magic with Witch Talismans, Sisters of the North. Looking to strike it rich? Our Witchcraft Lottery Ritual Kit ensures that Lady Luck is always on your side, paving the way for wealth and prosperity beyond your wildest imagination. Want to explore the astral plane? Our Out-of-Body Travel Pendant Ritual Kit will guide you on a journey of enlightenment and self-discovery like no other. Seeking good fortune in all aspects of life? Our Triple Charm Talisman Rings and spell kits are infused with the potent magic of 3, ensuring that luck is always on your side. But act fast. These mystical artifacts are in high demand, and with each passing moment, the window of opportunity grows smaller. Don't let your chance for true magic slip away. Visit Witch Talismans on eBay and witchtalismans.com today to claim your destiny before it's too late. Remember, the power to shape your reality is within your grasp. Seize it with Witch Talismans, Sisters of the North, where real magic meets real results.